Good morning, everyone. So today we are going to do a new chapter from your grammar book, and the chapter's name is present tense. Actually, the chapter is tenses. Okay. Tense are of three kinds. You know that: past tense, present tense, and future tense. Okay. Tense basically tells you about time. So in this first we are going to do present tense. Okay. See, just look at this table very carefully. This will help you in understanding all the three kind of tenses. Okay. uh, Present tense is basically, it tells you about things that are going in regular, okay, that are going in present, that we are doing right now. So that is known as present tense. Past tense is the time or anything that we have done that is already gone and will not come back. Okay. And future tense means we are planning to do and we will do. Okay, we haven't done it or we are not doing it, but we will do it, we are planning to do. So that is known as future tense. Matlab, a present tense means present tense in Hindi we call present tense भविष्य काल, भूतकाल and वर्तमान काल. Okay, वर्तमान काल we call present tense, and past tense we call bhutkal, and future tense we call bhavishya kal. So this is known as in Hindi. Okay, so see here, in present tense, a verb which refers to present time is said to be in the present tense. Present time is the time that we have right now. We can do anything. So I write, I study. Okay, so this is in present tense. A verb which refers to past time is said to be in the past tense, means the time that is gone. Okay, I wrote, I studied means I did that work. Okay, a verb which refers to future time is said to be in the future tense. I will write means the time that will come. I will write means I'm not writing, I haven't written, but I will write means later in the future I will write, later after some time I will write. So this is known as future tense. So these are the three tenses. So the first one we are doing is present tense. Okay. Okay, so see here, this is the table, you will understand it better. Amy eats chocolate. In past tense it becomes ate, and in future tense it becomes will. See, in past tense we add ed, in present tense we add will, because it's not sure that it is to be done or not, but okay, we are planning. Okay, so that is why will is used, because we are not sure. Understood? So here in with this table you will understand it better. Okay. Here is the baby smiles happily. The baby smiled happily means it happened. Okay, and here is the baby will smile happily means it hasn't smiled yet, but it will smile. Okay, so that is in future tense. Okay, understood? So here in past tense, in present tense, there are some other past means different kind of present tense that are there. First one is simple present. Simple present means we just add I play. We do not add ing or anything. It's just normal. Okay, I play. So this is like this. Here the words are used, no? So these are all in simple present tense. Your example is I play cricket every Sunday, means that is to be done every day. So that's in present tense. Okay. Here we watch TV in the evening. That every day is to be done. So that is in present tense. Okay. The next one is present continuous. Something that has been done is being done in continuation. Okay. You add ing here. Okay. Here it is to be done in continuation. Okay. I am working means yet it is going on, it hasn't stopped. So it is in present continuous tense. Okay, continue, you understand the word continue, no? So this is in continuous form. Okay, the next one is present perfect. The next one is present perfect. Perfect means the work has been done, abhi abhi hua hai means the work, and you like I have worked means मैंने अभी अभी काम किया है, and it has been done, and it has been done perfectly. Okay, means it has just happened. Okay, So it is in present perfect tense. Understood? See here, for example, I have lost my identity card. Means he is talking to someone. Abhi presently he is talking that mera identity card ghum gaya. Telling someone that I have just lost my identity card. Okay, it has happened in present. So this is what is present tense is on. You have learned about present tense. Then you have learned about simple present tense. Then you have learned about present continuous and present perfect. Okay, simple present tense you do not add anything, present continuous you add ing, and present perfect you add ed, but that is in present form. Okay, you use have or has, okay, in present form. So just go through this chapter, and if you have any kind of problem you can ask. Thank you.